Do you have wood-fired catering on your mind? This year, give the gift of freedom by giving what the industry calls the most comprehensive book on operating a successful wood-fired mobile catering business. In addition, should you or the person that you bought the book for decide to attend one of the Wood-Fired University workshops this year, we'll apply $250 towards your tuition or the purchase of your trailer. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Rolling in the dough eliminates the guesswork, hassles, and what could otherwise be the frustrating learning curve of operating your own fun, lucrative mobile catering business. Inside, you'll find the proven, no-nonsense advice on starting a thriving concession business which answers all your questions. You'll learn about the equipment, Business 101, licensing and food safety, and the many ways to market your business. But most of all, inside this manual, you'll find the freedom of making some serious money, the freedom of being your own boss, and the freedom of fitting it into your lifestyle. This year, give the gift of freedom by giving the book that keeps on giving. Rolling in the Dough is available for purchase on firewithin.com.